Hello friends, today we are going to see a recipe for a special Mangalorean dish that is generally prepared during the festivities. That is Manoli Kadle Sukka or IvyGourd Chickpeas dry. Before checking the recipe, if you are new to the channel, do click on the subscribe button below and subscribe to Dhanvi Home Kitchen. Let's check the recipe now. First, let's nicely clean the IvyGourd, remove both ends and cut into 4 pieces. While cutting, if you find any of the IvyGourd which has turned red or orange in the inside, discard it and do not use it for the curry. Here I have taken about half kg of IvyGourd, for which I have taken about 1.5 small cup of brown chana or chickpeas. I have soaked the brown chana overnight. First, let's cook the chana and IvyGourd by adding about 2.5 tablespoons of salt and as much as water needed in the cooker for about 3 whistles. Now let's prepare the masala. For the masala, I have taken about 15 dry roasted Byadgi chilies, 1 tablespoon of dry roasted coriander seeds, a quarter tablespoon of dry roasted cumin seeds, a small piece of jaggery, 1 onion cut into pieces and 5-6 garlic cloves. Grind all these together into a fine paste by adding a little bit of water. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder into the masala. To the masala paste, add 1 cup of grated coconut and quarter tablespoon of salt and give it a turn in the mixie for just 2 rounds. Masala is ready now. Now let's keep the pan over the flame and add about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start sputtering, add 1 thinly sliced onion to this. Let the onion cook nicely. Keep stirring in between. To this, add about 7-8 curry leaves. Once the onion is cooked, add the masala paste to this. Cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Once the masala is cooked, add the cooked IvyGourd and chickpeas to this and add about a quarter glass of water. Now let this cook for 5 more minutes. Now a very tasty Mangalorean style IvyGourd chickpeas dry is ready. If you like the recipe, do click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to Dhanvi Home Kitchen. Bye.